Hello everyone. Today's video about fractional indices. What does mean the fractional indices? Look over here. If we have a x to the power of half, what does mean this? This is the similar to the root of x. Okay. If we have something like this, y to the power of 1/3, that means cube root of y. This is the similar things. Okay, let's see some example. Evaluate number. So if here one number 25 of power of half, so we can write it root of 25, and root of 25 means what? Root of 25 is equal to the 5, because 5 times 5 is a 25, right? Okay, let's see few more example. To 625 to the power of 1/4. Okay, so that means root 4 of 625, and 625 is a 5 times 5 times, okay, root 4 of 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 going to be a 625. So that means answer is a 5, because 4 times 5 you multiply, you can remove this root of 4. Okay, let's see here 64 to the power of 1/3. So cube root of 64, and 64 is a cube root of 4, because 4 times 4 is a 16, and 16 times 4 is a 64. Okay, let's see some fraction numbers. Let's say 64 over 1000 to the power of 1/3. Okay, if we have something in a fraction form and it has a power, but that power is a outside bracket, means both things has a same power. Numerator and denominator both belongs to that power. 1/3 is a belongs to the numerator and denominator. So we can write like this: cube root of 64 over cube root, sorry, I supposed to write here 3, cube root of 1000, and that going to be a 4 over 10. Okay, and if I simplify it, 2 over 5. This is the final answer, because 64 cube root of 64 equal to 4, and 1000 is a if you multiply 3 times 10, then we get the 1000, right? That is the answer. Okay, let's see 27 over 125. Okay, and if we have a power 2/3. Okay, so that numerator number is a ordinary power, so for now we keep that power, power 2 is, we keep it as it is. First we get rid of this cube root. Okay, so cube root of 27 and cube root of 125, and if I simplify these things, then 3 over 5 square, and means 3 square means 9 and 5 square means 25. This is the answer. We cannot simplify, so this is our final answer. Okay, if we have fraction power but it is a negative power, what can we do? Okay, if we have a 81 to the power of 1/4 but it is a negative, then that is going to be a, first we turn the power positive. Okay, fraction remain as it is. We move this base as a denominator number, so power automatically becomes the positive. Once we get it positive, we can write the root 4 of 81, and 81 root 4 of 81 is a 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 81. This is the reason. Okay, so 1/3 is our final answer. Okay, let's see one more example. 16 over 81 bracket close, to the power of minus 3/4. Okay, as I told you, if we have a negative power, let's we try to make it first positive. Okay, so to make the positive, we flip the fraction. Denominator becomes the numerator number, numerator becomes the denominator. Then automatically power becomes the positive, negative sign will remove. And now we get rid of the denominator power first. So root 4 of 81 over root 4 of 16 bracket close to the power of 3. So 81 is if we multiply 4 times, then so if we multiply 3 4 times, then we get 81, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is a 16. So answer is a 3 over 2 to the power of 3. And if we get rid of this power 3, then 3 times 3 times 3 over 2 times 2 times 2, and that is going to be a 27 over 8. And this is the improper fraction, so we can write as a mixed number. 8 times 3 is a 24. So 3 over 8. 3 whole 3 over 8. This is our final answer. Okay. If you are evaluate, your answer is a fraction and it is improper fraction, or you can simplify it. If it is improper fraction, give your answer in a mixed number. Let's see some example for simplifying expression. So here is a one expression. X to the power of half times x to the power of half. How can we simplify? Okay, what is meaning of the x to the power of half? Square root of x times square root of x, and square root of x times square root of x going to be a x, right? Okay, this is the one example. Let's see few more example. If we have a x divided by x to the power of half. Okay, this x has a no power, means 1 power, right? And this is we are going to divide, so we could write like this: x to the x over x to the power of half. Okay, if we write this one in a root form, so we can write the square root of x. Okay, here this x, only x, it means we can simplify like, we can expand like this. So root of x times root of x. So 1 root, denominator numerator we can cancel down, right? So equal to root of x remain, right? Or we could say the x to the power of half. Okay, this is the simplest answer. Let's move on for the third example. If we have something like this, x to the power of half bracket close power of 4. So if we have a power inside and outside bracket, we can, or we could say that if we have a power of power, we multiply them, right? So x to the power of half times 4, and if we multiply this power, then that is going to be a 4 over 2, as we here follow the rules of multiplying fractions. So numerator to numerator we multiply. So 1 times 4 is a 4, and 2 times here no number means 1, 2 times 1 is a 2. So 4 over 2, and 4 over 2 if we simplify, then 2 1 here, right? Because 2 times 2 is a 4 and 2 times 1 is a 2. So remain here x to the power of 2. This is the simplest answer. Okay, no need to write this one as a denominator, because you know every whole number has a 1 denominator, right? Let's move on for the one more example. If we have something like this, x to the power of half times x to the power of 3 over 2 over x square. Okay, so let's we simplify first the top numbers. So we can add the power because both have a same base, right? Here x to the power of half and x to the power of 3 over 2. So both has a same base. So what we are going to do, we add the power. We adding here fractions, right? So what denominator we need same, so it is the same, so we write as it is denominator. We add the numerator, so 1 plus 3 going to be a 4 and divide by 2 square. Okay, x square I mean, not a 2 square, sorry. Okay, here again same situation, we can cut down 2 times 2 is a 4 and 2 times 1 is a 2. So 2 over 1, and 2 over 1 means we can write the, we can avoid the denominator if it is 1, right? So x square over x square, and x square over x square can also cancel down. So answer going to be a x to the power of 0, or we could say the answer is a 1. Okay, let's see one more example. Here, if we have a 1 over x to the power of negative 2, what could be simplest form answer? Here, power is a negative. So, what can we do to change this power to the positive? Just move this denominator number to the numerator number. So, x square. That's it. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Please, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. And if you want to learn any new topic, please comment below. Thank you for watching.